So yeah, pan's full, switches trip. I already checked the outdoor unit, just set on the camera on for it, but let's see here. First indication, let's say it's that trap is clogged. I'll grab some water. The way I like to test it is essentially I add water in it, if it backs up, and if I clear the trap and it goes down, I know it's the trap. If it doesn't go down after that, then you know it's going to be somewhere in this line. But there it goes. Grab one of my trusty cleaners. And as you can see, clearing it didn't help a bit. So we're gonna have to wind up doing is cutting this out and seeing if I can blow this line out with some high pressure nitrogen. In the meantime, I'm gonna put my trusty Milwaukee to use. Load this thing. Maybe we'll get a load while I'm down here, while I'm up here. Filters on in there. Alright. That sucked. You definitely don't want the filter on when you're doing that, do you? Idiot. Let's try that again. Should be okay. I know you can't get as much per load, but it's worth it. The extra trips are worth it not to carry a heavy 5-gallon drum down an attic stairwell. So yeah, it didn't do it after clearing it, as you can see. Tighten this up here, regulator. Gonna cut this here. Water probably gonna fly out of here, but it is what it is. Let's do a quick regulator on. Something. You feel that back pressure? Oh wow. Let's see if we can get some water in there. A lot of back pressure. So help to kind of break it up. Oh, must have been an air bubble in there before, but let's try this again. Dang. More pressure. My goodness. Might need to change this whole line out. not seen anything that strong. Try one more time. If this doesn't do it, then we're just gonna have to probably cut a section out. Alrighty, that nitrogen pressure was absolutely futile. I'm going to try a little bit of this hydrostatic pressure. The water pressure is off the charts. So here I had to go ahead and resort to back flushing it. Okay, so when doing this, you're going to want to make sure that they're using Schedule 40. You don't want to use the thin wall PVC for this because you could potentially blow it out. So if it's not Schedule 40, the thicker PVC, I wouldn't recommend doing this method. Also, you want to make sure you go through and inspect, if possible, inspect them, see if they've glued and primered all the fittings, and you should be fine because it's not that much pressure. This Schedule 40 can take almost 500 psi, so this is just it's not that much pressure on this. Also, another thing, you want to make sure you terminate the and the other end that's in the attic into a bucket. That way you're not getting water all over the attic. But yeah, this actually works well in a jam, in a pinch. So yeah, I haven't had any issues. I've only had to do it once or twice, but I definitely double checked it, made sure it was draining afterward, and yeah, everything was good. So I think that did it. I definitely think that did it. Whew. Right now. Alrighty. This is some insane water pressure. See, some stuff got shot back up through here. I went ahead and installed a That's very good. And I went ahead and installed the vent for him as well because there wasn't one on before, so that way it should hopefully drain a little bit better. What I'm going to go ahead and do now, just got done throwing a gallon down there. It seems to do well. I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum out this water here. Get this crap out of here. Don't want that up in a vacuum. Okay. I can just quickly go ahead and use this to test the drain. Maybe not. Put this in here like so. put this in here like such. So pull the air out. And now when you put it in, it's gonna try to displace the air. Yep. Just to drain a bit more. Like that. Yeah, sometimes you gotta attack these drain lines in a pretty unorthodox way. Yeah, wasn't really expecting that. I thought this was gonna be a 5-minute call. So glad I did decide to shoot it. So yeah, anytime you do, I don't often do those, you know, hydrostatic clean outs like that on drain lines, but anytime you do that, you want to make sure you test the thoroughly inspect the drain. And I've already checked, tested, made sure the water came out here, and it's got a steady trickle. So, but yeah, definitely not the first thing to go with, but sometimes, you know, desperate situations call for desperate measures. But yeah, it's properly draining now. So yeah, that was just a quick video on how to remedy a really clogged drain. That was probably one of the worst I've come across, I'd have to say. So let me know what you think. Might be a controversial. Like I said, it wasn't too much crazy pressure. The nitrogen just wasn't enough to get it. But yeah, let me know if you tried this before. And like always, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.